You take 20,000 breaths in a day, but how many do you actually notice? In yoga, breath is not just about air, it's about pran, your life force. Yet most of us breathe like we are panicked squirrels, shallow, fast, and unconscious. Try this. Right now, pause, take a slow, deep inhale, and even slower exhale. Notice how your body softens, and that's conscious breathing. And is the true difference between a stressed out mind and a calm, centered you. So, are you really breathing or just surviving? Yoga teaches us the art of breath, the art of life. Ever notice how balancing poses get harder the more you overthink? You wobble, you shake, and maybe even fall. But what do? You breathe, reset, and try again. Life works the same way. Balance is not about never falling, it's about learning to recover with grace. So, next time when you lose balance on the mat or in the life, don't panic. Just pause, breathe, and find your center again. And that's the art of yoga. That's the art of balance. Want to know the hardest pose in yoga? It's not a handstand. It's not even a deep back bend. It's a surrender. When you force a stretch, your muscles resist. When you force life, everything feels stuck. But when you breathe, soften, and allow, everything shifts. Next time, when you are in a deep stretch, notice if you are holding a tension. If yes, then let go. Because surrender is not about a weakness, it's trusting the process. Yoga is not a one night stand, it's a long term relationship. Some days you will flow effortlessly, other days you will feel as stiff as a wooden chair. And that's okay. The key is patience. Because progress in yoga is not about measured by poses, but about how present you are in your practice. How consistent are you in your practice? So, next time when you feel frustrated, remember yoga is not just about getting better at poses, it's about getting better at being patient. How you show up on your mat is how you show up in your life. Do you give up when things get tough? Do you push too hard and ignore the limits? Or do you stay present, breathe, and find your rhythm? Discipline in yoga is not just about forcing the poses, it's about showing up consistently even when you don't feel like doing it. Because the real transformation, it happens when no one is watching you. Yoga is not just about how a pose looks, it's about how it feels. Your body speaks, but are you listening? If a stretch feels sharp, it's like saying stop. If a pose feels expensive, it says go deeper. Your intuition is your best teacher, not your ego, not Instagram, or not even a yoga instructor. So, next time when you practice, close your eyes and ask your body that what do you need today, and then listen it. Shavasana, the easiest pose. Or is it? Why is it that we can hold a warrior for 2 minutes but struggle with 30 seconds of stillness in Shavasana? Because our minds hate silence. They crave distractions. But stillness is where the real yoga happens. So next time when you are in Shavasana, resist the urge to plan the dinner. Instead, just breathe, be and exist. Because in stillness, we don't just rest, we discover who we really are. If you have never fallen out of a pose, are you even doing yoga? Yoga teaches us non attachment to outcomes, to ego, to perfect poses. Some days you will feel strong and balanced. Other days you will fall out of a pose like a toppling tree. And that's okay. Because yoga is not about nailing the pose. It's about letting go of expectations. So fall, laugh and get up and try again. And that's yoga and that's life. You know that moment when your breath, body, and mind move as one? That's flow state, the art of effortless movement. It happens when you stop forcing and start feeling. Want to find your flow? Then stop thinking about the next pose. Let your breath lead your movement. Trust your body's natural rhythm because when you stop chasing the pose comes to you. Yoga is not just about how deep you go into a pose, it's about how deep you go into yourself. The most important question in yoga is not about how do I perfect this pose, it's about whom am I beyond this pose. Because the true yoga is not just about flexibility, it's about self discovery. So, next time when you step on the mat, don't just practice movement, practice awareness because the real yoga journey is inward. When you hear about core strength, what do you think about? If it's just a six pack abs, you are missing something bigger picture. Your core is a deep system of muscles, including your transverse abdominis, obliques, lower back, diaphragm, and even your glutes. Without these muscles, your posture suffers, your back strains, and your balance gets shaky. So, core training is not just about just doing crunches, it's activating about your whole entire system. Now, next time when you hold plank or boat pose, try and think beyond your abs. Engage your whole core and feel the difference.